How to download and install YouTube app on iPhone. Downloading a YouTube app on your iPhone is quick and easy, giving you instant access to millions of videos anytime, anywhere. Now let's dive in. Launch your App Store. The App Store is where you can find and download apps for your device. Now at the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in YouTube and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, click on it. You'll find the option of Open or Get. You have to click on it. With that, download process will start. You may be prompted to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password. Once you do that, download process will start. Also make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll be greeted with the YouTube home screen where you can start exploring videos right away. Then you can sign in with your Google account to access personalized recommendations, your subscriptions and playlists, or you can choose to explore without signing in. Either way, you are ready to enjoy all that YouTube has to offer. With the app, you can watch, like, share and upload videos on the go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.